Hello kids, today learning 2D shapes. Kids, beautiful colors. Kids, beautiful colors. Kids, 2D shape drawing, dotted line, links. Kids, how to draw in this video. First color, light green color, light blue color, yellow color, red color, purple color, green color, orange color, brown color, and green color, blue color. Kids, shapes drawing. Kids, shapes drawing. Start. Cross symbol. Square. Pentagon. L shape. Triangle. Circle. Kids, shapes drawing and color fill. Kids, first color, yellow color, cross symbol, yellow color, orange color. Kids, orange color, square, green color, pentagon, red color, L shape, light blue color, triangle, triangle, pink color. Kids, circle, circle, shapes name repeat. Kids, cross symbol, square, pentagon, L shape, triangle, circle. Kids, this video, like and my channel subscribe. Thank you kids. Next video coming soon kids. Thank you.